This is the hotel we are staying in London. It's called a Rosette House. This is the inside of the hotel we are staying. The people here, the staff here are really nice. They are very kind. She's introducing some pub to us. And here has a little restaurant here. This is my business card in case you need anything. This is the inside of our room. Quite a cozy. And here has washroom. This is Hyde Park. A lot of swans. It's a really beautiful place. It's huge.
Here we are in Hyde Park in London, harvesting tons of beautiful chestnuts. This huge chestnut tree. It's quite large compared to people.
Having lunch in this Italian restaurant called the Bizzarro. Here's lunch. I got spaghetti, beer, draft beer, a pint, and she got special pizza with egg. We never had pizza with egg before. That's interesting. Mercado Mayfair. This place used to be a church. Now it's a food court, and you can get all kinds of food, and also a lot of drinks. Having lunch near British Museum. Here has a very cool bike. It's a very nice place. I ordered Italian food, and this is typical British food, called fish and chips. This is outside of British Museum. This is inside of the museum. This is the London Tower Bridge. Having a drink in a bar just by the London Tower Bridge. This is an 18-year-old scotch. This restaurant has also a lot of wine stored here. And here has a big bottle. It costs £800 by the stuff over here. This is a 2012 bottle wine.